The next rule, in simple sentence, 3 words are there to use. To, in order to, or so as to. Complex sentence, so that, subject, after that, can or could plus V1. In compound, as a conjunction and so, and then subject can or could plus V1. Okay. Now, simple sentence. Be playable to qualify for the final, or be playable in order to qualify for the final. Be playable so as to qualify for the final. Okay, so the sentence which has only one main verb, it is called simple sentence. Just you listen the format of the sentence. Be playable to qualify for the final. Complex sentence, same first part, be playable without any change. Okay, in the place of to, in order to, or so as to, we are going to use so that. After that, we need a subject, be subject, and then can, because the verb is in simple present tense, so we use can. And then qualify, we can qualify for the final. This is very simple to write answer. Be playable so that we can qualify for the final. And then compound sentence, the same first part without any change, be playable. And then as a conjunction we use and so. And then we need a subject, we, same, can qualify, because verb present for the final. Okay, my dear students, again I remind you, you must memory all the words. Then only it will be very easy to write answer. Otherwise, it is impossible. Okay. The next rule, in simple sentence, so just you listen the sentence format. First one, subject, you, and then verb format must plus V1. Here I have written. And then hard, you must work hard to succeed, infinitive form. Okay. And then next, complex, same, subject without any change, verb format. The first part no change, you must work hard, and then we are going to change the next part of the sentence, to succeed, the infinitive format. Okay, so in that place we are going to use so that in complex. And then we need a subject. Who is subject? You. So you. And then can plus V1. Okay, can V1 succeed. So you must work hard so that you can succeed. In compound, 2 formats are there. First one positive, second one negative. The positive, you must work hard without change, then only you can succeed. Positive, you must work hard or else you cannot succeed. Okay, so again I remind you, just you listen well the format of the sentence and then the words. Okay, so if you follow that, it will be very easy to write answer. The sentence format, you must work hard to succeed. Okay, in first part no changes, you must work hard. In second part only we do some changes, just you listen well. Okay, the next rule, in simple sentence the sentence format will be subject, verb, object. Okay, I subject, bought verb, and old house object. If you listen well, you can understand one thing in object, because 2 words are there, old house. Okay, house refers to a noun. What kind of house? Old house. So this word qualifies the house, so it is called adjective. When we write answer in complex, I subject, bought verb, and then we are going to use object house and the direct object kondu vandarom. And then we need a pronoun, relative pronoun, which எதை வச்சு யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? house and things. ஸோ அதனால் அதை வந்து which யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அண்ட் தென் ஒரு ஆக்சிலரி வெர்ப் நமக்கு தேவைப்படுது. வாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஏன் ஹவுஸ் சிங்குலர், அதனால் வந்து நாம் இஸ்ஸோ வாஸோ யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ பாட்ன்றது பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ், அதனால் வாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? அண்ட் தென் இந்த அட்ஜெக்டிவை லாஸ்ட்டாக கொண்டு வந்துடுறோம் ஓல்டு. காம்பவுண்ட் சேம், ஐ பாட் எ ஹவுஸ். அண்ட் கன்ஜங்ஷன் சேம், இட் because of singular, and then was because of simple past tense, and then end of the sentence we use adjective. I bought a house and it was old. Okay.